How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. It's been a while, but today we're doing an episode of Slow Cooker Sunday. So today we're going to be making a really easy one, and to be honest, I've got to say quite a cheap one probably as well. So we're making barbecue style slow cooked sausages. So here's everything we need to know about it. So we need 8 to 10 sausages. I've got 8, 400 grams of chopped tomatoes with herbs, 110 ml of beef stock, 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, or if you're northern, it's Henderson's relish. So the first thing we need to do is just flick the slow cooker on to low, and then we're going to chuck the sausages straight in. So that's the sausages in. I've spread them out as nice as I can, but that's all. We're probably going to be mixing it in anyway. And then we go over here, we've got a bowl out because all these ingredients, we're going to now mix them together. So now, into here, we're going to add the 400 grams of chopped tomatoes with herbs, like so. There we go. Followed by the 110 ml of beef stock. Basically, I'm putting everything in here together now. Obviously, the 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of mustard. Now it's 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. Or a bit over. 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. 1, 2, and number 3. Obviously, I know it looks like more because it goes over the top. That's purely because it doesn't settle in time. And then last of all, we need 1.5 tablespoons of, well, like I said, for me, the Henderson's relish. This is just the absolute best. It adds so much flavour. If you can get hold of it, definitely use this. So that's 1, and then we're going to swap spoons, and a half. Perfect, there we go. And now, quite obviously, in fact, I'm not going to use a big wooden spoon. We're going to use a smaller metal spoon. There we go. Just get it all mixed in. You'll be able to tell when everything's combined. Obviously, there's the yellow of the mustard there, the brown of the Henderson's, and the sugar. It smells nice, to be fair, this marinade. There we go. Look, my lad's just come to guest appear. Oh, there we go. That's perfect. Perfectly mixed. Right, so it says nothing about actually mixing it into the mix, so we're just going to pour it all over the top of the sausages, like so. There we go. Make sure it's all nicely coated. Bit more over here. There we go. We don't want to waste any, do we? No, we don't, do we, dude? Right. There we go. And now we're going to put the lid on, and it's going to cook on low for 7 to 8 hours. Okay, so I've already served it up, but it's turned to a really nice thick sauce. Obviously, it goes crispy around the edges, well, like burns around the edges, so that's going to be fun to clean. But as you can see, the sauce itself still stayed really nice and red. The sausages are cooked perfect, and here it is. So that's cooked really nicely, and it smells fantastic. I've just put it with some mash. Obviously, I've done 3 sausages each. Me and Sophie, there's 2 left. But if you do it with more veg and things like that, you can have it with just 2 sausages, or you can do it with chips, seeing as it's barbecue, whatever. Right, let's give it a try. Right, so here we go. It's nice. It just properly melts as well. A bit of the mash with some sauce. Hot though. Yeah, it's nice. You can taste the sugar, the sweetness of it. I won't say barbecue though, but no, really good. Oh, there is definitely that hint of barbecue in there actually. But now it's really good. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave a like, of course, if you did, and if you're not already, remember to subscribe. I'm going to try and make Slow Cook Sunday back to being a regular thing, because I do enjoy doing it. It's so easy. And yeah, drop me a comment, let me know what you think of this, and let me know if you think there's anything worth giving a go. Slow cooker wise or whatever. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.